How do you make a payment to your institution with Flywire? First, you'll need to find your institution on the drop-down menu at pay.flywire.com. If you don't see your institution, no problem. You'll just need to refer to the payment link provided by your institution or follow the specific instructions they have given you to initiate your payment. Next, you'll select the country you're making your payment from and enter the amount you wish to pay. Keep in mind, you'll need to select the country in which your bank account is located. If you're initiating your payment via a link provided by your institution, these fields may already be pre-populated. Then, you'll be asked to select your preferred payment method. We will automatically display the total amount to be paid next to each payment method, so you can choose whichever one is most convenient for you. Your local currency payment options will automatically be displayed to you first, but if you prefer to pay in the currency of your institution, you'll just need to scroll down a bit further. To help you make an informed decision, you can click the Important Information link under each payment method for additional details. At this stage, it's important to note that the process for each payment method will be slightly different and may have different requirements. For example, some methods require you to submit additional documentation to validate your payment. This information will be disclosed under the Important Information link of the payment method. Once you've selected your preferred payment method, you'll need to provide some information related to the payer. Please keep in mind, it's very important to provide the details of the account or cardholder who is making the actual payment. When initiating your payment via a link provided by your institution, some or all of these fields may be pre-populated. Lastly, you'll fill out the information required by your institution so that they can be sure to allocate the payment to your account. Once you review and confirm your payment information, you'll be provided with instructions to complete your payment. If you choose to pay via bank transfer, please keep in mind you'll need to initiate your payment directly with your bank using our account details provided in the payment instructions. If you selected to pay via an online payment method, you may be redirected to the secure site of our payment partner. Once you enter the required information, you will be returned to Flywire's website. It may take up to 2 to 3 business days for us to receive your payment, but you can check your payment status anytime by clicking the Track Your Payment button in the email sent to the payer. Once we have received your payment, your institution can see in their Flywire dashboard that your payment is guaranteed. Regardless, we will keep you informed throughout the process and email you once your funds have been received, as well as once your funds have been delivered to your institution. No matter where you are in the world, we're here to deliver on life's most important payments.